This is a tutorial that you've been asking me to make. I'm going to show you how to make a balloon octopus. Hi everyone, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the East Midlands, and I'm here helping you take your balloon art to the next level. For today's tutorial, this balloon octopus, I get a lot of requests for balloon octopuses actually, and I think it's because my logo is an octopus. So what I would say is when you're starting your business and you're picking a logo, if you're going to have an animal as your emblem, as your logo, then make sure it's something that you can make because people will ask you for it. So this is quite a common request for me. And I've got a really quick line work version for you. So first of all, you're going to need a 160 with a good long tail, 5-6 fingers, something like that. And first of all, you're going to need to just soften a little bit and twist off a little bubble, 5 fingers or so, and just give it a little whittle to give it a bit of shape. And then we're going to make 6 flower petal loops of about 4 fingers or so, 3 to 4 fingers. So it doesn't matter if they aren't all exactly the same size. It's not critical for this design. In fact, in some ways, it looks better sometimes when they aren't all the same size. So we're doing 6 loops. I need 2 more. Just twist those around together. 1 more loop. And we are done. Okay. And then with what's left, you just want to twist off a very small bubble of 1 to 2 fingers and then turn that, so that's your loop, and then just pull on that, pull it up and turn it into a pinch twist, okay? And then just wrap that last little leg round. And then we just want to arrange our flower petals, our octopus's legs. So used to calling them flower petals. So just arrange those. Okay. And that's what you've got. So you've got your 2 little legs sticking out and the 6 ones curled up. And you're going to need a 5-inch round. I'm using one of the polka dot prints. Some of the animal prints work very well as well. So if you've got prints left over that you're wanting to use up, it's a great opportunity to use them. And whilst you're here, remember to subscribe to my channel and to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I hope you're going to give the video a thumbs up. Next, take a 5-inch round. I'm using one of the 5-inch polka dots. Inflate. Let that down a little bit and put a twist there. You don't even need to tie this off, and then just pull that neck and nozzle into your group of loops, and it just sits there nicely. Next, take a 5-inch round white, and this is inflated to about 4 fingers, and we're going to make a split duplet here. So you're going to want to put your fingers either side of that nozzle and then just twist. Okay, and we're looking for 2 bubbles that are approximately the same size, and then take that neck and nozzle and just pull it round and tie it into a knot. Okay. So those are your eyeballs, and then just take your octopus's body, pull that neck and nozzle in and round a few times, and then secure that into the base. Okay, and all we need to do now is draw the face, draw the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm using a bullet tip Sharpie. And I just draw a small circle and then a larger circle, which I colour in. And then I do the same thing on the other side. And then sometimes I put eyelashes on, but in this instance, I'm just going to put some little eyebrows. And you can also put some little nostrils here if you like to do that. So that's a really quick line work design. If you're seeking to avoiding making pinch twists, what you can do is just leave that as a little bubble. You can actually start with just a little round bubble and then start to make the loops. So that's another way to avoid a pinch twist if you don't like pinch twists. The other thing is if you're in a really busy, if you're at a really busy event, you can actually get away without doing 8 legs. You know, there's many a time I've just done 6 flower petal loops and everybody's happy. No, nobody bothers to count. They're just very happy with their quick balloon octopus. Really hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell as well so you're not going to miss any of my future videos, which I publish on Tuesdays. And feel free to join me in Balloon Artworks Academy, which is my closed Facebook group, and I'll leave a link for you in the description below. And I'll see you again in the next video.